This is free stuff right out of eastonuniversity.com. Okay. Prospecting. Chris, here's your recipe. Are you ready? Here's why they're not successful. And this is why you get pissed off, as do I, when I get these either all fluff, how's your day going? Right? At LinkedIn, I get people pay for a LinkedIn InMac. I don't know what those cost, 45 cents to go, how's your day going? Like I bill out at like $9,000 an hour. Great. Thanks for burning $600 of my capital reading that. Right? Block. Okay. Or to Chris's point, so all fluff or all sales. Hey, if I could just have 5 minutes of your time, blah, 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 blah. Gross, disgusting, right? No, I don't know you. So let me give them the formula right now without them being members to the greatest club in the world, Easton University, right? They don't have to be a member to learn this. Are you ready for the formula, Chris? So prospecting formula, okay? You're going to reach out to a person. Most of the time, you're going to get their voicemail. You can do this in an email as well. Here's the formula, okay? Number one, let them know who you are, okay? Hey, Chris, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Listen to my tonality. Smooth, powerful, not, hey, Chris, not slimy. Okay. If they want to learn the correct tonality, listen to the flight recordings from Sully Sullivan landing the plane on the Hudson. That's how you want to sell if you want to make millions of dollars a year, right? Would you like a runway at Teterboro? Engines out. Which engines? Both engines. Bird strike. Would you like to go back to Teterboro? Negative. Would you like to go to LaGuardia? I can give you any runway you want in LaGuardia. Negative. We're going to go ahead and land on the Hudson. Right? That's the tonality they want. Okay. So back to our formula for prospecting. I'm just going to make everybody 50 grand right now that listens to this. Okay. Let them know who you are. Hey, Chris, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Right? Hey, Matt, it's Dustin McClone, founder of Hustle Mindset. Let them know who you are. Okay. And then let them know how you're connected. So it sounds like this. Hey, Chris, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Okay. What if you're not connected on LinkedIn? You and I are both members of the whatever association. What if you're like, oh, well, hell, this won't work because I don't have any connection to somebody? Bullshit. Be open to new ideas. I manage all of our business operations for accounts in Houston, Texas. There's a way, if you guys use your dome for 3 seconds, that you can figure out a connection to somebody, right? So recipe, one more time. Step one, who you are. Step two, how you're connected. Now here's the gold that no other sales coach in the history of sales coaching has ever taught. No mini sales pitch. Know how you're doing. Know hope your day is going great. Let them know this. There's one thing in this world that everybody wants to give you. Do you guys want to take a guess at what it is? It's not their money. That's your first clue. Everybody in your world wants to give you this. It's not their money. What is it?
Advice.
Close. Go to my TikToks, go to my Instagrams at Easton University, right? Whatever it is that you want to go to. And you'll see this in the comments. I don't like your beard. I love your beard. You look like Jason Statham. You're ugly. Shave your beard. Everybody in this world wants to give their opinion. Everybody does. If you don't believe me, don't go to mine. Go to a Kardashian's social media and look at all the opinions. You're too fat. You're too skinny. You don't wear enough clothes. You should wear less clothes. It's disgusting, right? The opinions, we are in an opinion-driven society right now. You can use this to your benefit. Once you understand the rules of the matrix, you can break the rules of the matrix. So step 3 is this. Let them know you have an idea that you want their opinion on. It sounds like this. Hey, Dustin, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I've got an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. Can you call me on my mobile, 720-660-3202? Full stop, guys. Full stop. I just literally made the listeners so much money.